This little accessory you add onto the bottom of your GoPro from Ulanzi with cooperation from Falcam is brilliant, and it allows you to use your GoPro 12 with all the mounts and the attachments from all the other camera manufacturers on the market. It's fantastic. It really is going to change the way you'll use your GoPro. So basically, this is what it looks like. This is the Falcam. I'll try and find the model number for you. I'll link it down below. It's basically a Falcam F22 magnetic base for GoPro to DJI Action. So this is it. Basically, it comes in the box with the screws and a little screwdriver to take this base off. So this is the original base that the GoPro comes with, sort of those original little pins, and then you've got the screw thread built in. It's only held in by 4 screws, and then you sort of unscrew it, you take the screws and you put the new bit on, and it fits really nicely. So this is what it looks like on the bottom. It's still got the regular action camera mounts, so you can take these little feet out like so. They're sort of magnetized in, so you've still got the action camera mount that you'd usually find with the GoPro, those little feet, so you can use it with all your accessories like these tripods from PGY Tech. Then you can sort of put those down. Then this actually attaches to the DJI Action 4 mount on the bottom, magnetizes, and then it clips into place like that, so you can use it with the action camera mount from the DJI Action 4. So for people like me who use multiple devices, this is fantastic, because I find myself swapping from camera to camera. I use all of these cameras on a daily basis, but when I'm sort of swapping and trying to use things with different tripods, it's a little bit annoying. I've got like a head mount, a chest mount, I've got different tripods, I've got something on my bag. It's just a bit of a nightmare. So I can put this on there. If I don't want it on that, I can take it off there. If I'm using the Insta360 X3 with the 1/4 inch and I want to use their selfie stick, I can actually screw this onto the bottom as well. It's got a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom, so I can just use it with a normal selfie stick as well. So it's got the DJI Action camera mount that sort of magnetizes on the bottom. You can use it with that. That's actually compatible with the DJI Action 4 as well. That snaps onto there, so you can use those. Makes all of these things work together. You can use it screw thread, you can use it with the normal action camera mount, which is great. But not only that, this is like 4 in 1. This Falcam attachment actually works with Falcam's F22 quick release system, which you can buy separately, and this sort of slides onto there like that, so you can add it to these attachments and then sort of slide it off when you don't want to use it. There's different attachments from Falcam for a GoPro mount there, so that's a quick release as well. That goes on there, so you can add it to a tripod and that just slides off. There's different ones here that you can add it onto that, and then you can add that into another tripod mount. So it works with their F22 system as well as all the other systems from all the other action cameras, which is great. So for me, it really is game changing. It's really light as well. It says in the box here 12.5 grams, so it's adding no weight to your GoPro 12. All it does is add a little bit on the bottom as well, as you can see it sticking out. But because you got it mounted on like a tripod or a selfie stick or an action camera mount all the time anyway, that really doesn't matter. So the GoPro 12 is a great camera. It's probably up there with some of the best you can buy on the market at the moment. The Action 4 and the X3 are the 3 cameras that I use on a regular basis, and now I can swap between mounts. The same mount with all 3 cameras is unreal. It really is great. So really cheap. I'll link it in the description down below. I think it's about £20, so I'm going to get a bunch of these so I can add them to all my cameras, and then I can use it with all the action camera mounts. So it really is great, and like I said, if you're somebody that uses all of these cameras on a regular basis, it really will change the way you use your camera and make things and hot swapping things out, different mounts, a hell of a lot easier. Okay, quick one today. That's it for this one. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe. I don't review anything on this channel that's rubbish. If it's good, it gets featured, and it's as simple as that. Make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.